First you're going to need to open the trap door, and I recommend powering the unit down. So this can be done by removing the power cable. And the next job you're going to need to do is remove these two screws, top and bottom, which will allow the whole fascia plate to come off. So with those two screws out, you simply angle it out and tease it out toward you, taking care that the tethers are in place and that the door doesn't drop onto the ground. You'll see here's the aspirator here. This is the unit we've got to take out. For that one, I recommend using a flat blade screwdriver, and there are 6 screws. Very easy to remember, 3 large ones and 3 small ones down the bottom. Those screws are captive, which means that they stay in their position when they're removed. At this point in time, you can also remove this cable here, which is the power for the aspirator. It's locating, self-locating plug. So the aspirator simply pulls out on its own, just like this. Okay, so reinstalling the aspirator is the reverse procedure of removing the aspirator. So you simply locate the aspirator, lining up the top 2 screws, and everything else will locate in place. Making sure to get a nice tight seal, then plug the cable back in from the top down. It's easy as that. Then your front fascia goes back on. Just making sure that no cables are going to be jammed. Locate your screws back in. You can repower your detector now. It's all back together.